In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NSFW content grayed out on Reddit. If you've ever clicked on a post on Reddit and seen that the image is blurred or completely grayed out, even though you're trying to view it, that usually means your account's content settings are restricting mature content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to change those settings. So NSFW posts display normally, as long as you're over 18 and comfortable seeing that kind of content. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. If you're browsing as a guest or in a private window without signing in, the options we need won't be available or won't stay saved. So go ahead, log in, and once you're on the main Reddit page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can control how Reddit behaves for you. Inside the settings area, you'll notice there are different sections or tabs along the top. Find the one called Preferences and switch over to it. This is where Reddit groups together many of your viewing and content options. Once you're in the Preferences tab, scroll until you see a section titled Content. This is the key area that controls what types of posts Reddit will show you and how they're displayed. Under Content, look for a checkbox or toggle that says Show Mature Content, I'm over 18. If that option is turned off, Reddit will hide or gray out NSFW content by default. To fix that, enable Show Mature Content, I'm over 18. As soon as you do this, a pop-up will usually appear asking you to confirm that you're 18 or older. Read the message, and if you are indeed over 18 and you want to proceed, click the confirmation that says something like, yes, I'm over 18. After confirming, look just below that option for another setting that says Blur Mature 18+ Images and Media. This setting controls whether NSFW thumbnails and images appear blurred even when they're allowed. If your issue is that everything looks grayed out or blurred, you'll want to turn this option off. Go ahead and disable it so mature content will appear clearly in your feed. Once you've done that, your changes are saved automatically. You can go back to your Reddit homepage or refresh the page, and NSFW content that you're allowed to see should no longer be grayed out or blurred. And that's it. You've successfully fixed NSFW content being grayed out on Reddit by adjusting your content preferences.